So I did this awesome side of my driveway. Now we got a problem because this side of my driveway is gross. Look at it. So this is the before. You ever think you're gonna have to weed the driveway? So the finished product of my upper driveway. That's the part I did last week. We'll just walk in. You can see my before video if you want, if you so desire. So good. So beautiful up there. Look at this nice private spot I have up here. It's mine. And I just did this section now. So now the whole thing is nicely done, if I do say so myself. Future purple flowers in there, that's why I didn't rip that out. And yeah, those are together now. Haha, you knew that would happen. Oh, my yard looks amazing. Just saying. Birds are loud. So pretty tonight.